Okay, Gayatri ma'am is there. Okay, everybody, just wait. I'm calling Gayatri ma'am. So she'll start the session. Okay?
Yes. Very
Gayatri
good
ma'am?
evening, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, children. Very good evening. Just a second. Let me share the screen. All right. Very good evening, students. So hope you all are doing well and preparing for your tomorrow's exam as well. So today we'll quickly see in mathematics the set theory, set language. All right. Yes. So hope you all are practicing everything that is being done in the class. Yes, just quickly give me a message, yes, so that, it will be a boost to me to start the class. All these, yes, ma'am, does this exam have this, that, negative marks? All this now Chandrika ma'am will explain after the max session. So let's wait. After this, ma'am will come and give you all instructions. All right, students. And whatever is your doubts, you can just clarify it. And she will give everything, all the necessary details to you for your exams. Anyway, the teachers are coming to the center. So you can be, clear. You can meet them and they will meet you also. All right. So in today's session, we'll see the set theory. In that, we are seeing the Venn diagram. All right. So the first one, the shaded figure in the area is, right? So you can see A, B, C. All right. So in that, what is it you are able to find? You are able to find the shaded figure that is between A and B, that is A intersection B, and the shaded figure between A intersection C. All right. And it is being combined. So which means that it is A intersection B, A intersection C, and their union, isn't it? So we have a formula for that, A intersection B union A intersection C, which is nothing but A intersection B union C. So that is how the first option is the right one. So being the first question, we are doing it for you. So this is how you should be able to guess the option. All right, students? Yes, let's move on to the next question. If n of A is equal to 15, n of B is equal to 10, n of A intersection B is equal to 5, then what is n of A union B? All right. So we have a formula. N of A union B is nothing but n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. All right. Just substitute it. N of A is 15 plus 10 minus 5, which will give you 20. Therefore, your correct option is 3. All right. Yes. See the next question. Fine. So if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C and A intersection B union C is dash. What is A intersection B union C? Right? So can you quickly find out the option and tell me? Let me see the chat box. How many are able to recollect the formulas and give me the answer? Gayatri, you're right. Budkevar Varshit, you're right. Chetan, you're right. Monica, check your answer. Agnivesh, check your answer. All right. So it is none other than option C. How? You can see the answer. It is A subset of B, comma B subset of C, which implies A is a subset of C. All right. So A union B is nothing but A subset of C, which implies B union C. What is B union C here? It is nothing but C. All right. So here A intersection B union C is A union C, which is C. So all these are formula based. So please learn the formulas so that you can give the right answer. All right. See the next question. If A is equal to X such that X is an even natural number less than 12 and B is equal to X such that X is a prime number less than 12. Then what is A intersection B? Is it clear, students? So let quickly work it out and give me your answers in the chat box. By then, let me explain what is A. A is an even natural number. What is even number? 2, 4, 6 and all that, isn't it? So that should be less than 12. So it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So B is a prime number which is less than 12. So list out all prime numbers from 2, 3, 5 till 12. So 12 is not a prime number. So you should end up with 11. So now what is common between these two will be the answer. All right. So let's see how many are going to give me the answer. Yes, almost everybody is giving me the right answer except Varshit. Please check your answer. I think you're getting confused. Rachna, Gayatri, Chetan, almost all are giving me the right answer except one or two. Students, please, if you've done mistakes, please rectify your mistake. All right. See, let's see how option 4, that is 2, is the correct answer. Yes. So A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 because it should be less than 12. If your question says if it is less than or equal to 12, then definitely 12 will also get included. But here it says less than 12, isn't it? And what is B? X such that X is a prime number which is less than 12. So prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. But here they say it is less than 12. So you should end up with 11. And what is common between A and B is only 2. All right. Yes, that is why your option 4 is correct. Excellent. Almost everyone gave me the right answer. Good going. All right. See the next question. Among the following, a null set is where n is a set of natural numbers. Is it clear? So you just have to give me the correct option. What is it? Is it X such that X which is less than 5 and X is an element of n? Or is it X such that X square is equal to 4 where X is an element of n? Or is it X such that X square plus 1 is equal to 0 and X is an element of n? Or X such that X is even prime? So your answer is very clear. They say what is a null set? So among the following, a null set is. So you know null set is nothing but nothing is there inside the set, isn't it? All right. Let's see how many are giving me the correct answers. Gayatri, you're right. Navneet, check your answer. Harshita, you're right. Chetan, you're right. Yes, Sai Vardhan, check your answer. All right, so let's move on. It is nothing but option 3. Right? X such that X square plus 1 is equal to 0. The set has nothing, no elements at all. Right? And X is the element of n. All right, student? Yes. See the next question. If A is a subset of B, then what is A minus B? Is it clear? If A is a subset of B, then A minus B is dash. What is it? It's a very simple logical question. Let's see how many are giving me answer. Yes, almost all are giving me the correct answer. Excellent. It is none other than option 2, which is a null set. Excellent, students. See the next question. If n of A is equal to 5, n of B is equal to 5 and n of A union B is equal to 8, then what is n of A intersection B? So you have a formula for this. Quickly type the formula and give me the answer. What is n of A intersection B? So we have a formula for n of A intersection B. Isn't it n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B? All right, so I've given you the formula. Using this, quickly work it out and give me your answer. How many are going to give me the right answer? Yes, many says option 1. Of course, it is option 1, which is the correct answer. Yes, quickly See the key, n of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So from this, n of A union B can be found out 5 plus 5 minus 8, which is 2. All right, excellent. See the next question. If A is equal to x such that x, which is an element of n, and 1 is less than x and less than 10. What do you mean by this? X is greater than 1, right? And x is less than 10. So it should be somewhere between 1 to 10. All right. So then what is n of A? What is n of A? N of A is what? So frame what is A. Then you'll be able to find out. So it should be greater than 1, which means it cannot be 1, isn't it? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can it be 10? No, it should be less than 10. So you should stop up with 9. So I've given you the clue. Let's see how many are doing and going to give me the right answer. Excellent. Monica, Chetan, Harshita, almost all are giving me the correct answer as option 3. Perfect. How? See, here x is greater than 1, right? So 1 cannot get included. If it says x is greater than or equal to 1, then you should include 1. But here they say x is greater than 1, which means that it starts with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It cannot be 10 because x is less than 10. So you should stop up with 9. So just count the numbers. You have 8. All right, students. Excellent. See the next question. Identify the disjoint sets among the following. A minus B, B minus A. Or is it A minus B, A? Or is it B minus A, B? Or is it none? Right? So what are disjoint sets? Let me see how many are giving me the answer before I give you the answer. Yes, Shiva, please check your answer. Monica, Gayatri, Navneet, Sandhya, everybody is giving me one option, which is right. Vishwanath, check your answer. Harika, please check your answer. Almost all are giving me the correct answer as 1. Excellent. How? We have a formula. A minus B intersection B minus A is a null set, which implies A minus B, B minus A are disjoint sets. All right? Yes, see the next question. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, then A intersection B union C is dash. Right? Just now we worked out a similar sum like this. Just work it out and give me the answer, which is in fact very logical and an easy one as well. Right? So A is a subset of B, B is a subset of C, then A intersection B union C is dash. Yes, give me your answer. I'm just checking the chat box. Monica, you're right. Sandhya, you're right. Gayatri, check your answer. Vishwant, check your answer. Shiva, check your answer. Okay, let's see. It is option 1, that is A. How? Just see the answer. A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, which means A is a subset of C, isn't it? Right. Now we have A intersection B. What is A intersection B? It is nothing but A. What is A union C? It is nothing but A. So you have a formula. A intersection B union C is nothing but A intersection B union A intersection C, which is A union A, which is nothing but A. Yes, please work out logically and then choose your answer. All right. Yes. See the next question. If A is equal to prime numbers less than 20, B is equal to whole numbers less than 10, then A minus B intersection B minus A is dash. So this question was asked in the year 2015 in your exam. All right. Yes. So what are the prime numbers which is less than 20? Just list out. A is equal to, it starts with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on till 19. All right. And what are the whole numbers which is less than 10? Whole numbers includes 0. That you should remember. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on till 9 because you cannot include 10 because the numbers are less than 10. All right. So now you find out what is A minus B. Yes. So what is A minus B and what is B minus A? What is A minus B? Whatever is common to A and B, just take it off. What is there in A should not be there in B, right? So that is A minus B and the vice versa is B minus A. What is there in B should not be the content of A. That's it. Yes. So let's see how many are giving me. Yes, almost all are giving me option 1 as a right answer. Yes, perfect. How? Just see what is A. A is the prime numbers less than 20 that we have given. B is a whole number less than 10. So it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on till 9. What is A minus B? Whatever is common to A and B, you should not take. What is there in A should not be there in B. Like 11 is not there in B, 13 is not there in B, 17 is not there in B, and 19 is not there in B. Like that, B minus A. So what is there in B, that should not be there in A. All right, students? So just find out. And the intersection between these two is nothing. Right? So nothing is common between these two. That's why we say it is empty set. All right? Yes, excellent. Almost all of you gave me the answer. And please understand the concept A minus B, B minus A. All right, yes. See the next question. From the following Venn diagram, B minus A is. What is B minus A? A is given, B is given, A intersection B is given. Is it clear? So what is B minus A? It's very simple. So what is A? Like this, now you can just list it out. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is B? 4, 5, 6, 7. So now find out what is B minus A. That's it. So 45 seconds is required. I'm giving you little more time also so that you can give me the right answer. Now let me check the chat box. Yes, option 3 is right. Monica, Harshita, Saivardhan. The names are running. I'm sorry, I'm not able to read all the names. Excellent. It is option 3. How? Quickly see the answer from the given Venn diagram. What is A? A is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. What is B? 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is B minus A? What is there in B should not be there in A, right? So 6, 7 is there in B and that is not there in A. So you should take 6, 7, which is your option 3. All right, students, excellent. See the next question. From the diagram, estimate sum of elements in A union B intersection C. A is given, B is given, C is given. So it's very simple. What is A? 2, 3, 6, 7. What is B? 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. What is C? 2, 3, 4, 10. So now you know what is A, what is B, what is C. Just find out what is A union B. With that, find out what is A union B intersection C. That would be your answer. Let me see how many are giving me the right answers. Let me check. Navani, Gayatri, check your answer. Agnivesh, you're right. Yes, let's see. Let's see the answer. And it is 9. All right. As I told you, list what is A, list what is B, find out A union B. All right. And this A union B, in that, what is that intersecting C? That would be your option 3, that is 9. All right. Yes. So you can see here, this is being solved using Venn diagram itself. All right. Yes, see the next question. If n of A minus B is 5 and n of A intersection B is 2, then n of A is dash. So we know the formula. N of A is equal to n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B. Isn't it? Using that formula, you can solve it. Fine, students. Quickly use the formula and solve it and then give me the right answer. All right. So it is 7. All right. So how it is 7? Let's see. N of A minus B is 5. N of A intersection B is 2. So we have a formula. N of A is equal to N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B, which is 5 plus 2. That is 7. All right. Yes. See the next question. The shaded area in the figure is dash. So what is it? Very easily you can find it out. You have A, B, C. So is it option 1, A intersection B union C? Or is it option 2, A intersection B intersection C? Or is it third option, A union B intersection C? Or is it fourth option, A union B union C? All right. So let's see who's going to give me the right answer. Okay. Guy, Harshita, you're right. All others, Navneet, you're right. The names are really running. Okay, let me give you the key. It is A intersection B union C. How? See from the given Venn diagram. Just a second. Yeah. From the given Venn diagram, what is that? The shaded region is nothing but A intersection B, isn't it? And you have A intersection C. So their union is only being shaded. So what is A intersection B? Union A intersection C. The formula is A intersection B union C. That is why we have opted for option 1 as a right answer. All right. Yes. Good to those who have given the right answers. Others, please rectify your mistakes. All right. See the next question. If A and B are subsets of a universal set mu, then A intersection B power C is equal to dash. What is it? Is it clear? A and B are the subsets of a universal set mu. So then what is A intersection B power C? All right. So let me give the answer for this. It is A minus B. How? So we are taking the universal set here as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 15. Is it clear? So it is our wish. You can take till 10, you can take till 15. So here for a safer side, we have taken it till 15, right? And A and B are subsets. So A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? And B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. So what is B power C? So 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the intersection between, that is A intersection B power C, is nothing but 4, 6, 8, 10. So now you can verify the options by A minus B, right? Which is nothing but A intersection B power C. So that is how we have chosen A minus B as the option. All right, students. Yes, see the next question. A quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 and minus 2 is dash. Right? So if we say whose zeros are 5 means it is x minus 5. And if it is minus 2 means it is x minus of minus 2, which is x plus 2. So just multiply to get the quadratic polynomial equation. I'm giving you 30 seconds because multiplication takes time. So quickly do it and give me your answers in the chat box. I'm just checking. Let's see how many are giving me. Yes, Gayatri, you're right. Monica, you're right. Harshita, please check your answer. Just work out. Shivani, you're right. Sai Vardhan, you're right. Rachna, you're right. All right. So almost all are giving me the right answer. Let me say option 3 is the right one. X square minus 3x minus 10. How? We are taking x minus a and x minus b to be the polynomial with a comma b as zeros. Okay. So what happens if a and b are 0? Then we'll never have a quadratic equation at all, isn't it? See, so when they say that in a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 and minus 2, it means x minus 5, that is a is minus 5, b is plus 2, right? So in the given polynomial, so x minus 5 into x plus 2, just multiply it to get the equation as x square minus 3x minus 10. All right. So this is how you are supposed to work it out and give the correct answers. All right. Yes. Good. See the next question. Identify monomial. So what is monomial? One term. Right. So one term is monomial. Right. So let's see how many are able to give me the right answer. Yes. I know it's a very simple question. Hope questions like this comes in the exam so that all of you can answer like how you're answering to us. Yes, excellent. It is option 3, which is 2x, right? Let's see what is monomial. Monomial is a polynomial with one term. Binomial is a polynomial with 2 terms. And trinomial is polynomial with 3 terms. So tri means 3, bi means 2, mono means single. All right, see the next question. If y is equal to p of x, it is represented by the given graph. Then the number of zeros are. So you can see in how many places it is touching the xx dash. So that is your number of zeros. Yes. Fine. So let's see how many are giving me the right answers. Waiting very eagerly to check. Yes, almost all are giving me the right option. Right answer. Your answers are right. Perfect. See how it is 4. The number of times the graph meets x-axis gives number of zeros. See where all it touches xx dash. So it touches in 4 places. Right? That is why your option 3, that is answer 4 is correct. Yes. Excellent students. It's a real good going show. So please keep on practicing like this so that you can get full marks in mathematics. All right. Yes, see the next question. If the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign, then what does it mean? Product of its zeros is 0. Sum of its zeros is 0. There are no zeros of the polynomial or one of the 0 is 0. Do you understand the question? If the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign, then let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Navaneet, you're right. Malesh, check your answer. Monica, you're right. Reshma, you're right. Akshaya, you're right. Yes, almost all are giving me the answers. It is none other than option 2. Sum of its zeros is 0. All right, see the next question. If one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is 0, then what is the other 0? Is it clear? So what is the other 0? You remember we discussed in earlier classes, it is nothing but minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, isn't it? Now, right. Now let's see how many are going to give me the correct answer. Yes, almost all are giving me option 3 as the right answer. Excellent. No words to say. It is minus b by a. How? What is the coordinate of x is minus of b, right, by a, right? So That is how we are finding out the other zeros. The one is C by A. The other one is minus B by A. All right. Yes. See the next question. The number of zeros lying between -2 and 2 of the polynomial f of x whose graph is given below is dash. So you should see the range between 1 and -1. So how many places the curve is touching the x dash? Between 1 and -1. So they've given you the range, isn't it? Right? So between 2 and -2. All right. Sorry, it is between 2 and -2. But if you see between 2 and -2, it only ends up in 1 and -1. Because the next curve is touching only in 3 -3. Is it clear? Yes. So now your answers must also be correct. Let's see. It is option 3. Many are giving me the right answer. Yes, it is option 3. How? What is between 2 and -2 is only 1 and -1. So which is 2, isn't it? Yes. See the next question. Among the following, not a polynomial is dash, which means which is not a polynomial in this? Is it option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4? Yes. Let's see. I can give you one clue. The power should be only integers and not fractions. All right, so that should be the clue that goes along with the sum as well. Let's see how many are going to give me the correct answer. Almost all are giving me the right answer after giving you the clue or before taking the clue, you all are giving me. Anything, anyway, your answers are right. It is none other than option 4. Because powers of variables must be integers and it cannot be fractions. All right, excellent students. See the next question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to x square plus px plus q, then a polynomial having 1 by alpha and 1 by beta as its zeros is dash. Is it option 1 qx square plus px plus 1? Or is it option 2 qx square minus px plus 1? Or is it option 3 qx square minus px minus 1? Or is it option 4 qx square plus px minus 1? Let's see how many are working out and going to give me the answer. I don't think this requires any working as such. So let me directly check the chat box. Many are, Gayatri, you're right. Many are giving me the right answer, but in between, many are giving me the wrong answer also. But almost all are giving me the right answer. Yes. Quickly check the correct answer is option 1. Qx square plus px plus 1. All right, students? Yes. See the next question. If f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, and that has no real zeros, then a plus b plus c less than 0. Okay. And a plus b plus c less than 0, then dash. What does it mean? Do you understand the question? If f of x is ax square plus bx plus c and it has no real zeros, right? And a plus b plus c is less than 0, then what does it mean? So the question itself contains the answer. So I don't think you have to really break your head in finding out the answer. If you read the question properly, yes, almost all are giving me option 3 as a right answer. Perfect. The question itself says, isn't it? It is option 3, C less than 0. All right, see the next question. If the product of zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to ax cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is 4, then what is A? Yes, is it clear? So what is A? The product of zeros of the polynomial f of x is ax cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is 4. So then what is A? Let me see how many are giving me the right answer. Sandhya, Taruni, Rakesh. Okay. Sai Vardhan, Shivani. Okay. All right. See check the answer. It is 3/2. All right. Yes. See the next question. If alpha comma beta are the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is dash. So what is 1 by alpha and what is 1 by beta? Let's see how many are going to give me the correct answer. So they are the zeros of the polynomial means what? Alpha is nothing but 1 by 1. Beta is nothing but 1 by 1. Right? So if you add it, what is it you get? Now I've given you a clue. So let's see how many are going to give me the right answers. It is option. I've told you, yes, some few are giving me the right answers. Hanish, Harshita, okay. Sai Vardhan, Gayatri, Pavani, Varshit. Okay, good. Ishwant, yes. See, what did I say? 1 by alpha. So how do you find out 1 by alpha? Here alpha is 1 by 1, which is 1. Beta is also 1 by 1, which is 1. So what is 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 1 by 1 is 1. Plus 1 by 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. All right. Yes, see the next question. The remainder when 2x cubed minus 7x square minus 10x plus 24 is divided by 2x minus 3 is dash. So how do you find out this? Just find out the value of x substituted here. 2x minus 3 is 0. What is x? X is 3 by 2. Just substitute it in this equation to get the remainder. So I'm sure this needs minimum of 30 seconds. So quickly work it out and give me your answers. Or you can take it in this way. You have to do it by long multiplication method. Okay. 2x cubed minus 7x square minus 10x plus 4 divided by 2x minus 3. Do it in a long multiplication, long division method to get the remainder. All right. So let's see, the remainder here is 0, right? Yes, see the next question. Dash is a factor of 5 power 2n minus 1, where n is the element of n. Yes, I'm sure you would have understood. Where n is an element of n. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. It is, in fact, very simple one. Okay, Jnaneshwar, Harshita, you're all right. You're right. Kumari, check your answer. Pavani, you're right. All right, so many are giving me the answer. It is none other than 24. Your n becomes 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So 5 square is 25 minus 1 is 24. All right. Yes, see the next question. Ax squared plus bx plus c is 0. It has its roots alpha and beta. Then what is alpha square plus beta square? Yes. So actually there's a formula. This question is formula based in the year 2008 RJC. This question is being asked. So it is purely a formula based. So I'm sure you'll be able to give me the answers. All right. So let's move quickly so that we can do other questions also. It is none other than option 3. 1 by a square into b square minus 2ac. All right, see the next question. Condition for one root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. To be the reciprocal of the other is dash. Is it b minus c is 0 or is it a plus c is b? The first one should be b plus c is equal to 0 or a plus c is equal to b, or is it a is equal to c, or is it a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Yes, let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Let's check. All right, almost many are answering for this question. Okay. This option 2, that is A is equal to C. All right, see the next question. Which of the following numbers is the solution for the equation 2 of x plus 4 is 9? Very simple, just solve the equation, find the value of x. Nothing difficult. Just solve it. What is x plus 4? 9 by 2. So what is x? Find out and give me the answer. Let's see how many are going to give me the correct answers. Very simple. Harshita, you're right. Saini, you're right. R. Kumari, you're right. Sai Vardhan, check your answer. Monica, Rachna, Arvind, everybody is right. Yes. How? Option 1 is correct. 0.5. How? You can just see the solution. Twice of x plus 4 is 9. So just multiply 2x plus 8 is equal to 9. 2x becomes 1. X is half, that is 0.5. All right. Let's see the next question. The value of x which satisfies the equation 2x minus of 4 minus x is equal to 5 minus x is dash. So just this equation, you just have to solve it and find the value of x, right? So 30 seconds time is given to you. Give me the correct answers. You can use calculator for time being since we are in short of time, right? So you can use the calculator if you need it. And now work it out and give me your answer. 30 seconds, not more than that can be given. Option dash is correct. Let's see. Option 3, yes, Saini, you're right. Ishwant, check your answer. Okay, almost all are giving me the right answer. Yes, perfect. It is 2.25. How? See how it is being solved. 2x minus 4 minus x is 5 minus x. So just take the minus inside. 2x minus 4 plus x is 5 minus x. Solve it. You will get the value of 4x is 9, which implies x is 9 by 4. All right. Yes, excellent. To those who have given me the right answer, see the next question. The equation x minus 4y is equal to 6 it has no solution, it has two solutions, it has unique solutions, or it has infinitely many solutions. Is it clear? So let me see how many are going to give me the right answer. So if just a clue, in one equation, if there are two variables, right, it means that there are more solutions for that, which is nothing but infinitely many solutions. So one equation having two variables contains infinitely many solutions. All right, see the next question. Lines 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. It has dash. It has infinite solutions, or it has no solution, or does it have a unique solution, or none of these? Yes, quickly give me your answer. Let me go through the answer. It is unique solution. How? A1 by A2 is the coordinate of x by coordinate of y, that is 3 by 2. What is B1 by B2? Coordinate of y by minus coordinate of x2 by minus 3. C1 by C2 is nothing but the variable, that is 5 divided by 7. So here A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, the lines are intersecting and it has unique solution. That is how option 3 is being highlighted. All right, see the next question. For what values of k, 2x plus ky is equal to minus 5 and 3x plus 3y is equal to minus 6 has a unique solution? Yes, is it 2, 3 cannot be determined, or none of these? So if it has unique solution, then it is A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Isn't it? So now what is A1? the coordinate of x or the coefficient of x is 2. What is k? What is y here? Right? So here we have ky, which means b1 is k. What is a2? 3. Coefficient of x. What is b2? It is again coefficient of y, that is 3. Alright, so is it a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2? No, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, right, so it is not equal to a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, k is not equal to 2. Therefore, k can have any values except 2. So here except 2, only 3 is given, isn't it? That's why we are opting for 3. That is option 2 as the right answer. Let's see the next question. Among the following, 2 parallel lines are dash. So is it option 1, 2, 3? Quickly do it and give me the answer. Let me just check the chat box. Yes, many are giving me the right answer. If you just type once, it is enough. Akshaya, you're right. Gayatri, check. Pranati, check. Kumari, check. Navneet, check. I think somewhere you are doing mistakes here. So what is parallel lines? A1 by A2 is nothing but B1 by B2. So work it out. The coefficient of X, coefficient of Y. That's it. So work it out and then give me the answer. Anyway, you all have given me the answer, but many have not given me the right answer, which is option 2. 3x plus 3y plus 11 is 0 and x minus y plus 11 is 0. How? Parallel lines are nothing but a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. All right? Right. See the next question. Which of the following pairs are coincident lines? Is it option 1, option 2, option 3 or option 4? Which of the following pairs are coincident lines? Is it clear? So it means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Yes, how many are going to give me the right answer? Let's see. Yes, Chetan, you're right. Mahesh, check your answer. Mahesh, now you're right. Kumari, you're right. Manasa, everybody is giving me the right answer. It is none other than option 3, 2x plus 3y plus 3 is 0, 4x plus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. How? You can just see the working. A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 4. B1 by B2 is 3 by 6. C1 by C2 is 3 by 6. So therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So you have to work out like this for all the 4 options. So whichever satisfies this, that is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then you say that they are coincident lines. All right. You see the next question. If 3x plus by plus k is equal to 0 and 9x plus 12y plus 6 is equal to 0, it has infinite solution. Then what is the value of k? So if lines have an infinite solutions, it means that it is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Isn't it? So now I'm sure you'll be able to find the value of k. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Quickly work out and come back to me. Put your answers in the chat box. So what is the value of k? Right. So let me check the answer. Okay. It is option 4. Reshma, you're right. Monica, you're right. Yes. Let's check the answer. How it is option 4? It is option 4. How? If lines have infinite solutions, they are coincident lines. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Right? So coefficient of x is 3 by coefficient of the other x is 9 plus B1 by B2 coefficient of y, that is 4 by the next one coefficient of the other y is 12, which is nothing but C1 by C2. Right? So C1 is k and C2 is 6. Just cross multiply and find the value of k. Is it clear? Yes. See the next question. Two lines 2x minus y is equal to 1. X plus ky is equal to 13. They intersect at 3, 5. Then what is the value of k? Just solve it. You can solve this by any method, right? Then you will get the value of k. Work it out and then give me your answer, students. Don't blindly type. Yes, let me see the answer. Option 2, option 2, option 2. Yes, it is correct. Almost all have given me the right answer. It is option 2. How? 2x minus y is 1. X plus ky is 13. So 3. So it is intersecting at 3, 5, isn't it? So 3 plus, what is 3, 5? One is x, the other one is y. So substitute x, y as 3, 5. So 2x minus y is equal to 1 and x plus ky is equal to 13. You will get 5k is 13, which implies k is 2. All right? Yes. See the next question. The solutions of x plus y minus 1 is 0 and x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0 is dash. You can even do using simultaneous equation method. Yes? Or substitution method. Any method you do, but find out the value of x and y. Is it clear? Yes, let's see how many I have started doing and giving me the answer. Yes, many says option 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? So how x plus y minus 1 is 0? X minus y minus 3 is 0. So you're adding both sides. You will get x is 2. And by substituting, you will get y is minus 1. So it is 2 minus 2, minus 1. See the next question. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are dash. Is it unique solution or is it coincident or is it infinitely many solution or no solution? Let me see how many are giving me the answers in the chat box. Pavani, Chetan, Sai Vardhan. Yes, you all are right. Malesh. Yes, actually the names are running. I'm not able to read. Yes, almost all are giving me the correct answer as no solution. How? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. Then the lines have no solution. Yes, is it clear? See the next question. The pair of equations x is 0 and x is 5 has dash. Does it have unique solution? Does it have infinitely many solutions or two solutions or no solution? Yes. So quickly do it and give me the answer for this question. Let me before that check the chat box. Okay, Agnivesh, Gayatri, Sai Vardhan, Chetan Kumar. All right, almost all are giving me the right answer as fourth one, no solution. See the justification of choosing option 4. X is 0, it represents y-axis. Y is 5, represents the equation of the line parallel to y-axis, and this is at a distance of 5 units from the origin. So if x is 0 and x is 5, it represents two parallel lines and two parallel lines will never intersect. Therefore, no solutions can be found out. All right. You see the next question. The larger two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree, then the angles are dash. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Yes, Malesh, Akshaya, Sai Vardhan. Almost everybody is giving me the right answer as option 2, 81 degree, 99 degree. Yes, so you can see from the following, From the given pair of angles, the difference between the two is 18. So when the angles are 81 and 99, 99 minus 81 is 18. Is it clear? Yes, see the next question. If twice the age of A is added to B's age, the sum is 45. And if twice the age of B is added to A's age, then the sum is 30. Find the age of B. Yes, so let's disclose the answer for this. It is option 2, 5. How? Let age of A is equal to X, age of B is equal to Y. So twice the age of X, twice the age of A is 2X. It is added to B, that is here it is Y. And you're getting a amount of 45, that is the sum is 45. And the second one, twice the age of B is added to A. Twice the age of B is 2Y. You are adding it to A, that is X, which is nothing but 30. So any method you can work out, either simultaneous method or is it substitution method, any method you can work out and find out the value of Y. All right, students, yes. See the next question. 3 pens and 5 pencils together cost 35 rupees. Whereas 5 pens and 3 pencils together cost 37 rupees. What is the cost of a pencil? Yes, quickly do it and tell me. You can assume let the pens be X, the pencils be Y. Anything you can assume, right? So with that, can you find out 3 pens and 5 pencils means 3X plus 5Y. That is equal to 35. Whereas 5 pens, that is 5X and is plus 3Y. No, he says 5 pens, isn't it? Okay. And 3 pencils together cost 37. Now find out the value of, find out the cost of the pencil. That is, you have to find out the value of Y. All right. Let's check the answer. You are assuming the pen to be X, pencil to be Y. So it is 3 pens and 5 pencils. So 3X plus 5 is 5Y is 35. Okay. 5 pens and 3 pencils means it is 5X plus 3Y, which is 37. So just solve the equation to get the value of Y as 4. All right. So option 3 is correct. See the next question. The perimeter of rectangular plot is 32 meters. If the length is increased by 2 meters and the breadth B is decreased by 1 meter, the area of plot remains the same. What is the value of length and breadth, L and B? And then the values of L and B are dash. So I hope the question is very clear, right? So let's quickly see the answer because we absolutely don't have time. The perimeter is twice of length plus breadth. So you're getting it as 32 and the length is increased by 2, which means it is L plus 2, all right? And B minus 1. So find out the area by multiplying and by finding out the value of L and B, which is 10,6. All right. Yes. See the next question. Ruby went to bank to withdraw rupees 2,000. She asked the cashier to give the cash in 50 rupees and rupees 100 notes only. She got 25 notes in all. Notes each rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received is dash. Yes. So quickly work it out and give me the answer. Okay. Gayatri says 2. Yes, absolutely. You're right. Reshma says 2. Sai Vardhan, check your answer. Amulya, you're right. Yes, Sai Vardhan, now you're right. Akshaya, you're right. Yes, perfect. It is option 2, 10, 15. How? Quickly see, let the number of rupees 50 notes be X, 100 notes be Y. So in fact, we have come across these sums even in standard 8, isn't it? So x plus y is 25, right? And the other one is it is 50x plus 100y is 2000, right? So with this, you can find out the value of x is 10, y is 15. So Ruby has received 10 rupees 50 notes and 15 rupees 100 notes. All right? Yes. So with this, we'll finish off max today, and I hand it over to Chandrika ma'am. So students, all the very best for your exam. So do your best, give your best. So all the very best to you all. Yes, over to you, Chandrika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Gayatri, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, students, now we shall know some tips for exam. I hope my screen is visible and I am audible to everyone. Please let me know in the comment section.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, thank you, students. Thank you. So as you know, this TSRJC is Telangana Residential Educational Institution Society conducting entrance exam for admission into junior colleges, right? So there are 35 TS residential junior colleges, 15 for boys and 20 for girls. So total there are 35 colleges of TSRJC. And coming to the salient features of TSR junior colleges, all these TSR junior colleges are providing education in residential mode. అంటే మీరు అక్కడే కాలేజ్లోనే ఉండి చదువుకోవాలి, అక్కడే హాస్టల్ అవన్నీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు. అండ్ ఈచ్ స్టూడెంట్ కి, ప్రతి ఒక్క స్టూడెంట్ కి అటెన్షన్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. లోకో పేరెంటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ద లెక్చరర్స్ దేర్ ఆర్ అలాటెడ్ యాజ్ ది లోకో పేరెంట్స్ ఫర్ యూ. అండ్ డే స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ ఫిజికల్ ఎక్సర్సైజెస్. ఫస్ట్ ఫిజికల్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది ఫ్రమ్ 5:30 AM. అండ్ తర్వాత క్లాసెస్ అనేవి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి, అకాడమిక్ క్లాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. దట్ విల్ కంటిన్యూ టిల్ 10 PM ఇన్ ద నైట్. సో అకాడమిక్ యాక్టివిటీస్ కాకుండా స్పోర్ట్స్ అండ్ గేమ్స్ కూడా ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అండ్ దర్ విల్ బి అదర్ కరిక్యులర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఫర్ ఆల్ రౌండ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ students. Next, coming to facilities and fee payable to the college at the time of admission at all TSR junior colleges. Fees facility ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ ఫ్రీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అన్నమాట. సో ఫ్రీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ బిసైడ్స్ ఫ్రీ బోర్డింగ్ అండ్ లాడ్జింగ్, మీకు అంతా ఫెసిలిటీ అదంతా కూడా ఫ్రీయే, మీరు ఒక్క రూపాయి కూడా కట్టాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అండ్ if you see here, these are the particulars of junior colleges where in which districts they are present. So these are the districts where the junior colleges are present in Yadadri, Bhuvanagiri, Hanmakonda, Beachpalli, Gadwal, Jogulamba, Balnagar, Mahabubnagar, Borabanda, Hyderabad, Kisargutta, Medchal, Vikarabad and Tandoor. So here you can also see ఒక్కొక్క కాలేజ్ లో మనకి ఎంత సీట్ అనేవి అలాట్ అయి ఉంది, ఎన్ని సీట్స్ అలాట్ అయి ఉన్నాయి ఎంపీసీకి, బీపీసీకి అండ్ ఎంఈసీకి, రైట్? అండ్ చెప్పాను కదా, బాయ్స్ కి సపరేట్ గా, గర్ల్స్ కి సపరేట్ గా ఉంటుంది జూనియర్ కాలేజ్. సో దీస్ యూ కెన్ సీ హియర్, బాయ్స్ కి ఎక్కడ ఉంది, గర్ల్స్ కి ఎక్కడ ఉంది అనేది కూడా ఇందులో డీటెయిల్డ్ గా ఇచ్చారు. అండ్ దిస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ రిగార్డెడ్ టు ద సేమ్. ఎన్ని సీట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మనకి, ఏ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లో బాయ్స్ జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ఉంది, ఏ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లో గర్ల్స్ జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ఉంది, ఎన్ని సీట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ ఇస్ ద మీడియం ఆఫ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఈజ్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్. మీకు అక్కడ అన్ని ఇంగ్లీష్ లోనే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు, right? And next, coming to the eligibility. So you know the reservations are according to the government rules. And for blind, deaf and dumb candidates, there is no facility available. Okay, వాళ్ళకి అసలు అప్లై చేసే ఇది కూడా లేదు. సో బ్లైండ్, డెఫ్ అండ్ డమ్ వాళ్ళకి టీచింగ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ అనే వాళ్ళు లేరు. అండ్ ఈడబ్ల్యూఎస్ సెక్షన్ వాళ్ళు అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు, దట్ ఈస్ economically weaker section can apply. And coming to the eligibility, you should be a resident of India and your 10th schooling ఏదైతే ఉందో that should be from the Telangana state only. Okay, and ఈ year March 2024 ఎగ్జామ్ ఎవరైతే రాశారో 10th ఎగ్జామ్, సో వాళ్ళు ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ లో పాస్ అవ్వాలి. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్ ఈ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్ రాసిన వాళ్ళు 2023లో 2022లో రాసిన వాళ్ళు ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ కి అప్లికబుల్ కాదు, అండ్ దే ఆర్ నాట్ ఎలిజిబుల్, రైట్? సో ఓన్లీ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ హూ హ్యావ్ రిటన్ 10th exam in March 2024 and has passed in first attempt, So those are only applicable and eligible for TSRJC. And next coming to OC candidate, OCC, GPA, minimum GPA 6, and BC, SC, ST, and minority candidates, minimum GPA 5 varaku they can score. And అందరికి అన్ని కేటగిరీస్ వాళ్ళకి ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా GPA 4 ఉండాల్సిందే. And as you know, date of examination is 21st April 2024 and the timings are from 10 AM to 12:30 PM. So మీ సెంటర్ లో ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ 1 అవర్ ముందే ఉన్నా పర్లేదు. Please don't make hurry. Okay. And next coming to the scheme of the examination. So మనకి ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఏ పేపర్స్ ఉంటాయి that you have opted when you are applying. So క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ వచ్చేసి మీకు బైలింగ్యువల్ ఉంటుంది, దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ తెలుగు అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్. తెలుగులో ఉంటుంది క్వశ్చన్, ఇంగ్లీష్ లో కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ ఆప్షన్స్ అన్ని. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు ది గ్రూప్స్, సో ఫస్ట్ ఎంపీసీ గ్రూప్, దట్ ఈస్ కోడ్ నెంబర్ 1. దీంట్లో వచ్చేసి సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్, మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అండ్ ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. జస్ట్ 1 second స్టూడెంట్స్. Physical science, and the duration is 2.5 hours, maximum marks 150. And coming to the BBC, English, biological science, physical science, 2.5 hours, 150 marks. MEC, English, social studies and mathematics, 2.5 hours, and it is also 150 marks. Right? And you know the total marks is 150 and the time duration is 2.5 hours. So the question papers of TSRJC set will be based on 10th standard. Syllabus వచ్చేసి 10th standard మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. Yes, 10th standard లో ఏదైతే చదువుకున్నారో అదే మొత్తం సిలబస్ ఇప్పుడు ఉంటుంది. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు ద అప్లికేషన్, యూ హ్యావ్ ఆల్రెడీ అప్లైడ్. దట్ ద లాస్ట్ డేట్ ఇస్ 16th March 2024. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసి ఎగ్జామ్ టిప్స్ వచ్చేసి మీకు నార్మల్ గా చెప్పాం ఫస్ట్ నుంచే, ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఆఫ్ మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. రైట్, సో ఇట్లాంటి మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ లో యాక్చువల్లీ మనం గెస్ చేయకూడదు. వీ షుడ్ నాట్ గెస్ ఎనీ ఆన్సర్. మాక్సిమం మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి చేయాలి, క్వశ్చన్ చూసి ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. రైట్, సో ఒకవేళ మనము ఇన్ ద బ్యాడ్ కండిషన్స్, అంటే మనం అసలు ఎగ్జామ్ కి ఏమి చదువుకొని వెళ్ళలేదు ఎవరన్నా, ఓకే, సో అట్లాంటి వాళ్ళు వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ వన్ ఆప్షన్ లైక్ క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్ గెస్సింగ్. సో లెట్ us see what is this calculated guessing. Normal guessing చేయొద్దు. Let us see how this calculated guessing works. So now let us understand how options are distributed. And the first another thing is, you are not having any negative mark. Negative marking ఏం లేదు, మీరు టెన్షన్ పడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. Right. So to conduct exam in a fair manner, all the correct answers are distributed among 4 options equally. Normal గా ఒక మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ కి సంబంధించిన కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ABCD ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో అవి ఈక్వల్ గా అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేస్తారు. సో దట్ ఈస్ అట్లా ఎలా అంటే కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కి A అనేది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఉంటుంది, కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కి B అనేది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఉంటుంది, కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కి C, కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కి D అనేది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ దీస్ ఆర్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటెడ్ ఈక్వల్ గా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసి ఉంటారు. సో ఇన్ ఎనీ ఎగ్జామ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్స్ మస్ట్ బి ఈక్వల్లీ డివైడెడ్ అమాంగ్ A, B, C and D ఆప్షన్స్. ఓకే, ఆర్ అట్లీస్ట్ నియర్లీ ఈక్వల్. అంటే మీకు ఈచ్ ఆప్షన్ వచ్చేసి 38 to 40 కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఓకే, and let us consider a hypothetical situation where we answer all options as B. సో ఒక సిచ్యువేషన్ కన్సిడర్ చేద్దాం. ఎక్కడంటే మనము ఒక అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కి ఆల్ ద 150 క్వశ్చన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఆన్సర్డ్ B. సో ఇంతకు ముందు చెప్పినట్టు ఎగ్జామ్ నార్మల్ గా ఫెయిర్ మేనర్ లో కండక్ట్ చేయడానికి అన్ని ఆప్షన్స్ ఈక్వల్ గా డివైడ్ అయి ఉంటాయి. రైట్, సో లెట్ us consider that B is option for 40 questions. B ఆప్షన్ వచ్చేసి 40 క్వశ్చన్స్ కి ఉందనుకుందాం. సో అప్పుడు మన స్కోర్ ఏంటంటే 38 to 40 మధ్యలో ఉండొచ్చు. రైట్, 38 to 40 మధ్యలో వస్తుంది. as only those many will be correct answers and remaining మిగిలిన క్వశ్చన్స్ 110 to 112 మీరు ఏవైతే ఆన్సర్ చేసి ఉంటారో మొత్తం క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ BA పెట్టేశారు. రైట్, సో దాంట్లో ఏంటి 40 క్వశ్చన్స్ వరకు మనకి B అనే ఆప్షన్ ఉండొచ్చు. 38 to 40 మార్క్స్ వరకు అక్కడ మీరు మీకు వస్తుంది. కానీ మిగిలిన క్వశ్చన్స్ కి ఏవైతే మీరు ఆప్షన్ పెట్టారో B, ఆ 110 to 112 క్వశ్చన్స్ వాటికి అవన్నీ రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నమాట. సో మీరు ఈ కండిషన్ లో ఓన్లీ B పెడితే మొత్తం క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ 38 to 40 మార్క్స్ వరకు మీరు తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. సో వెన్ వి గెస్ 150 క్వశ్చన్స్ we are scoring around 38 to 40 మార్క్స్. 150 క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం గెస్ చేస్తే 38 to 40 మార్క్స్ వరకు వస్తాయి, సంపాదించుకోగలుగుతున్నాం. ఓకే, సో అన్ని మార్క్స్ స్కోర్ చేయగలుగుతున్నాం. సో హౌ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ అవర్ మార్క్స్, మన మార్క్స్ ఎట్లా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి? 38-40 మార్క్స్ సరిపోతాయా మనకి జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ లో సీట్ రావాలంటే, రెసిడెన్షియల్ గవర్నమెంట్ జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ లో? ఎందుకంటే మనకన్నా మంచి చదివిన వాళ్ళు రాసిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు, రైట్? వాళ్ళకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో మనం ఎట్లా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి మార్క్స్? ఆన్సర్ ఓన్లీ వాట్ యు ఆర్ షూర్ ఆఫ్ ది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. సో మీరు ఏదైతే కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఈ ఆన్సరే కరెక్ట్, మీకు తెలుస్తుంది కదా, ఎన్ని రోజులు క్వశ్చన్ తీసుకున్నారు, బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి ఉంటారు. సో మీకు ఏ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఏ ఆన్సర్ అనేది తెలిసి ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ పెట్టండి, రైట్? ఎట్ ది ఎండ్ కౌంట్ ది ఆప్షన్స్, హౌ మెనీ ABCD. At the end, count the options, how many A, B, C and D are marked. And last కి మొత్తం క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ రాసేసారు, అన్ని ఆన్సర్స్ పెట్టేశారు, లాస్ట్ కౌంట్ చేసుకోండి. ఫస్ట్ మీకు ఏవైతే వస్తాయో అవన్నీ ఆన్సర్ చేసేయండి, లాస్ట్ చూసుకోండి ఏ ఆప్షన్స్ ఎన్ని పెట్టారు. సో రిమైనింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ట్రై టు ఆన్సర్ బై ఎలిమినేటింగ్ ది రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్. ఏవైతే మీకు రాలేదో ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ లో చూసినప్పుడు ఏదో ఒకటి మనకి 3 ఆప్షన్స్ అసలు క్వశ్చన్ కి సంబంధం లేకుండా ఉంటాయి, అలాంటి ఆప్షన్స్ మీరు ఎలిమినేట్ చేయండి. రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో అవి ఎలిమినేట్ చేసి అట్లా కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. అండ్ కౌంట్ హౌ మెనీ A, B, C and D ఆర్ మార్క్డ్ అమాంగ్ యువర్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్. ఎన్ని A's మార్క్ చేశారు, ఎన్ని B's, ఎన్ని C's, ఎన్ని D's మార్క్ చేశారో కౌంట్ చేసుకోండి కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ గా. సో విచ్ ఎవర్ యూ హ్యావ్ మార్క్డ్ లెస్, ఏదైతే తక్కువ మార్క్ చేసి ఉంటారో ఆ ఆప్షన్ ని మీరు మిగిలిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నిటికీ మార్క్ చేయొచ్చు. సో అది ఎలాగా అనేది చెప్తాను. ఎస్, 1 second స్టూడెంట్స్, టు గెట్ సీట్. ఓకే, that will be depending on the qualifying mark. After exam you will know it. సో మాక్సిమం ఎక్కువ మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయాలి. అండ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, కమింగ్ టు ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏంటి అంటే, సపోజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఆన్సర్ 100 questions కరెక్ట్లీ, 100 questions కరెక్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ చేసేసారు, రైట్? సో 100 questions ఆన్సర్ చేశారు, ఈచ్ క్వశ్చన్ 1 mark కాబట్టి మీకు 100 marks వచ్చినట్టు. ఓకే, సో అందులో ఈ విధంగా ఆన్సర్ చేశారు. 28 questions కి ఏ పెట్టారు, కౌంట్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పాను కదా. తర్వాత 28 questions కి ఏ పెట్టారు, 21 questions కి బి పెట్టారు, 29 questions సి పెట్టారు, 22 questions డి పెట్టారు. సో ఇందులో మీరు చూసుకున్నట్టయితే మనకు తక్కువ ఏది ఉంది, బి ఆప్షన్ అనేది 21 questions కి మార్క్ చేశారు, రైట్? అమాంగ్ దీస్, ఓకే, 21 questions మార్క్ చేశారు కాబట్టి మిగిలిన 50 questions ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, మీకు 150 questions, సో 100 మాత్రమే మీరు మార్క్ చేశారు ఈ విధంగా, ఇంకా 50 questions మీరు వదిలేశారు. సో ఆ 50 questions లో ఈ బి ఏదైతే తక్కువ ఉందో ఆ 50 questions కి బి మార్క్ చేసేయండి. ఓకే, సో అలా చేస్తే అట్లీస్ట్ మీకు ఒక 5 to 15 marks వరకు వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది, రైట్? Hope I think everyone has understood the concept, right? Let me know in the comment section. Did everyone understood the concept? Yes. Taruni, yes. Chetan, yes. Kumari, yes. Okay. Very good students. Okay. Right? సో ఇది లీస్ట్ కేసెస్ లో, అంటే మనం ఏమీ చదువుకోలేదు అని ఎవరన్నా అనుకున్న వాళ్ళు ఉంటే, అంటే ఎవరన్నా కొంతమంది లేట్ గా జాయిన్ అయిన వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు, అసలు ఏం చదువుకోలేదు అన్న అపోహ, అసలు ఏం చదువుకోకపోతే అలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఇది ట్రై చేయండి. మీరు చదువుకొని వెళ్ళండి, చక్కగా మీకు వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయండి. ఓకే, లాస్ట్ మినిట్ లో చదివే వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు చూడండి, అలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఒకటేసారి కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లో అంత పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా రాయలేకపోవచ్చు. సో అట్లాంటి వాళ్ళకి ఇది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎవరైతే మీరు మాక్సిమం చదువుకొని వెళ్ళండి, మంచిగా ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక 100 questions అయినా, ఈ లాస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లో ఎలా చెప్పానో 100 questions అయినా మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ చేసేలా చూడండి. ఓకే, తర్వాత మిగిలిన ఒక 10 to 20 questions మీరు ఈ ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్, అంటే రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ని ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తూ అలా ఆన్సర్ చేయడానికి చూడండి. ఇంకా లీస్ట్ మీకు ఇంకా అసలు అవ్వట్లేదు, మీకు రావట్లేదు, 100 questions దాటి మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేయలేకపోతున్నారు అని అన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఈ మెథడ్ కి వెళ్ళండి. ఓకే, స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి మీకు క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ తెలిసి కూడా రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ పెట్టొద్దు, గెస్ చేయొద్దు. మీకు క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ తెలిస్తే రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్ పెట్టకండి, మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, రైట్? అండ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వే, ఇఫ్ యూ డూ ఇన్ దిస్ వే, యూ కెన్ ఇంప్రూవ్ 5 to 15 marks, రైట్? So these are some tips for exam which you are going to attempt tomorrow. Okay. Yes, 1 second students. Yes, mock tests are obviously helpful, Gayatri. Maximum మేము కూడా రిపీటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్ ఏమున్నాయో అవే మేము కూడా చెప్తాము. I hope all of you have understood. Please use this in a positive way. And now I'll hand over the class to Arun sir. All the questions are from previous papers only, so don't worry. మీరు రాసిన ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ మాక్ టెస్ట్ ఏవి వృధా కాదు. Okay. Yes. I invite Arun sir to continue the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Hello, students. Good evening, everyone. Hope you're doing good. Repe exam undi. Are you all ready for it? Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Students, I would like to begin with English. But before that, I would just like to speak 2 minutes about career guidance session you have got on Monday. Monday career guidance session undi, where you have an eminent speaker, a professor from BITS Pilani, one of the top institutes in India, on par with IIT students. Professor has done his PhD from USA, Chicago, Northwestern University. He's working in a field of engineering and is into cutting edge research, leading edge research. Meeku guidance istaru, meeru questions adagachu, meeku edaina doubts unte adagachu. If you are aspiring to become an engineer, that's the right place to ask questions, to get guidance, to be inspired from the person. He is an eminent personality in the field of engineering, students. కానీ మీరు రిజిస్టర్ చేస్తే రిజిస్టర్ లింక్ వస్తుంది స్టూడెంట్స్. రిజిస్టర్ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి లింక్ వస్తుంది. డూ రిజిస్టర్ ఫర్ ది career guidance session, students. Only registered students will get the link, students. Yes, tomorrow carry both pen and pencil, every whole stationery, students, to be on safer side. OMR sheet lo ఒకసారి మార్క్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ చేంజ్ చేయలేరు మీరు. All right, so do not miss this career guidance opportunity, students. Meeku guidance, ilanti guidance you will not get. I am sure it's very rare for you to get such a guidance at this juncture of career, students. 10th class tarvata meeku opportunity undi guidance kosam. You will be inspired to aspire for engineering. After the class, we will share the link for the career guidance session, students. Do keep track of your WhatsApp group. Meeku link vastundi. We will share the link after the class. Please register. Register chesina vallaki link vastundi. Career guidance session link vastundi on Monday. I suggest you attend. Do not miss the opportunity, students. He is an eminent speaker. He is working in the bleeding edge research in the field of engineering. He has done his research from USA. And he is a professor in one of the top universities in India, BITS Pilani. All right, students, let's begin with English. Here's the first question, students. Students, quickly answer in the chat box. Because you don't have much to reason about, nothing to work it out. That's why you'll not be given much time. For every answer, it gives you a few seconds. Students, please be careful. You have an exam tomorrow. Any mistake you commit today, please correct tonight itself. You know, correct cheskondi, students. All right, let's get started. Okay, I'm getting response, but most of the students are wrong students. Let me release the key. It's adept. Proficient means adept, student. Proficient, he is asking to correct the synonym. Choose the correct synonym. All right, let's go to the next one. Admonish. Does it mean irritate, chide, displease, annoy? If you've gone wrong, please make a note of it, students. None of you answered. All right. Okay, let's see. It's child, students. He is asking for the correct synonym. Chide means scolding. Admonish ante firmly deny chayadam, that you have done something wrong. Chide also means a similar thing, means scolding. Let's go for the next one. Adversity. Does it mean seniority, spirituality, familiarity, misery? All right, let me look at the chat box. Yes, Vivo is right. Manasa is right. Jyoti is right. Chetan is right. Saivardhan is right. All right. Good luck. Good luck. Good. Let's go ahead. Yes, it's right. Misery. Adversity also means misery. Let's go for the next one. Rebel. Does it mean make merry, glory, reveal, revert? Right. Rebel. Let's look at the key students. It's 1. Please make a note of questions where you're going wrong, students. Session తర్వాత ఒకసారి యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ వెళ్ళి మొత్తం సెషన్ రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి because most of the students are going wrong over here. All right, let's go for the next one. Brutal. It doesn't mean humane, savage, sympathetic, compassionate. Brutal. What does brutal mean, students? Reshma is right, Jyoti is right, Chetan is again right, Mahesh is right, Rachna is right. Mahesh, Chetan. Okay. Renuka is right. Ashwin is right. Saivardhan is right. Gayatri is right. Kumari is right. Excellent. Excellent. The ones who have gone wrong, please correct yourself. It's 2 students, savage. Here's the next one. Stroll. What does it mean? Trot, gallop, walk, jog. Stroll. What does it mean, students? Prasad is right. Renuka is right. Mahesh is right. Jyoti, Mahesh, Rakesh. Okay. Ashwin. You're all right. Good. Students, a quick revision. I'm going for a rapid fire round. So please, if at all you miss anything, you go wrong anywhere, please go to the YouTube channel, do a quick revision over there. Agnivesh is right. Let's look at the key. Yes, it's absolutely right. 3 is absolutely right. So stroll means walking. Strolling is walking. Here, another word. Eternal. Temporary, short term, time being, forever. Okay, Rakesh is right. Gayatri is right. Oh, there are many students who are right. Malesh is right. Taruni is right. Agnivesh, Gyaneshwar, Reshma. Excellent. Let's look at the key. Yes. All right. Let's go to the next one. What does eloquent mean? Does it mean fluent, ignorant, rude, or significant? Fluent, ignorant, rude, significant. Okay. Ashwin, Monica, Rakesh, Jyoti. You're all right. All right. Good. Hardik. Gayatri is right. Saivardhan is right. Manasa is right. Good students, good. The ones who have gone wrong, please correct yourself. Tonight itself, it's fluent. Eloquent also means fluent. Judicious, hasty, reckless, irrational, wise. What does judicious also mean? Hasty, reckless, irrational, wise. Okay, Kumari says wise, Reshma, Gayatri, fine, Rakesh, Malesh, Saivardhan, Manasa, Prasad. Excellent. Monica, Agnivesh, Reshma. You're all right. Let's look at the key students. Wise is absolutely right. Here's the next one. Quiescent, dull, questionable, bright, alive. Quiescent. Okay. One. Mahesh is right. Rakesh is right. Mahesh, Rakesh. That's okay, students. You're going wrong, but be careful. Correct your answers tonight itself. There could be same questions tomorrow. So do not take any risk. Do not run a risk of ignoring the preparation. Let's look at the key students. It's dull. All right. Let's go for the next one. Turbulence, agitation, calmness, repose, stillness. Calmness and stillness are close in meaning, students. So they're ruled out. Prasad. All right, let's go to the next one. All right, agitation is right, students. Absolutely right. Actuate. Students, this is for the ones who want to learn, students. So please make note of things which have gone wrong. If you know the answer absolutely right, that's really appreciable. But if you're wrong, please correct yourself. This is a revision session, students. So this is actually, you would have done this before, but still, if you're going wrong, it's something to be taken care about. Actuate, true, move, select, kill. Mixed response again. Let me look at the key. Saivardhan is right. Monica is right. All right. Let's look at the key, students. It's move. Move is absolutely right, students. Excellent. Let's go for the next one. Lucrative, impoverished, worthwhile, useless, inconsiderable. What does lucrative mean? Asking for a synonym. Think, think, think. Give me a second. Okay. Mixed response again. Two. Most of the answers are two. Rakesh, it's wrong. It's not option 3. It's option 2. All right. Let's look at the next one. Invective, invent, expressive, abusive, invitation. Asking for a synonym. All right. Let's look at the key. Mixed response again. Students, you're all, so few students are going wrong. Okay, let's look at the next one. I really appreciate the ones who have got a lot of patience, students. I really appreciate. It's all for your good. Whole of this session, whole of this coaching, free coaching is all for your good, students. I really appreciate the ones who are making use of it. Accolade, synonym for that. Silence, mediocrity, laurels, lowliness. We are conducting this session so that we can cover as many questions as we possibly can, students. అందుకే కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఒకవేళ మీరు పాలిసెట్ కి అప్లై చేయలేదంటే చేసేయండి. ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ దట్ యు అప్లై, హ్యావ్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్. పాలిసెట్ కి అప్లై చేయలేదంటే డెఫినెట్లీ చేయండి స్టూడెంట్స్. దాంట్లో కూడా చాలా మంచి బ్రాంచెస్ ఉన్నాయి. కెరియర్ ఆప్షన్స్ చూస్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనకి ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటే మనం చూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. గైడెన్స్ ఉంటుంది మనకి కెరియర్ గైడెన్స్ సెషన్స్ లో. కానీ మీరు అప్లై చేయలేదంటే మీకు ఆప్షన్స్ ఉండవు. సో మీరు ఆప్షన్స్ చేస్తూ ఉండాలంటే అప్లై చేయాలి, ఎగ్జామ్ రాయాలి. సో క్రాక్ అన్ ఎగ్జామ్, యూ హ్యావ్ ద ఆప్షన్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ పాకెట్. We've got 1 month time. Yes, Navneet, we will guide you for that. Submit your query in the WhatsApp number 9642215226. All right, we'll get back to you. Navneet. All right, let's go for the next one. Navneet, you can message your query to the WhatsApp number. WhatsApp your query to the 9642215226. All right, we'll help you out in that. All right, here are a few more questions. Abettor, what does it mean? Accomplice, adversary, careless, indolent. All right, response. And students, tomorrow we are going to visit some centers in Warangal, Nizamabad, Mehboob-Nagar and Hyderabad. All right, we have got a chance to meet you all. Let's meet each other. We will maximize our presence, but these are the centers which are going to visit: Warangal, Nizamabad, Mehboob-Nagar and Hyderabad. All right, if you haven't sent your center address, please WhatsApp it to the WhatsApp number. If possible, we'll also visit Adilabad, but these are the 4 centers we are definitely going to visit. Send your hall ticket to 9642215226, students. All right, 9642215226. Yes, we have this class. Reshma, we have these classes, 3 classes till POLYCET exam. We'll guide you for the POLYCET exam as well. All right, those who have sent, good. Rachana, good. Saivardhan, good. But the ones who haven't sent, if at all you want to meet us, you please send your hall ticket number, sorry, hall ticket, so that we get the center address. Yes, Amujya inka apply cheyochu, Amujya apply cheyochu, inka on the date. Reshma, we have these classes for POLYCET exam as well, free coaching for POLYCET exam as well from Jatadhara Education Technology. Yes, Mahesh, do send. Amulya POLYCET kuda istunamu coaching, free coaching istunamu. TSRJC తర్వాత అది కంటిన్యూషన్ అవుతుంది. So you better apply for that. You'll have career options open, wide open. We'll update you everything in the Gayatri will update you everything in the WhatsApp group. Whether there is class tomorrow, yes, we'll have class. Yes, Natak, yes, we'll also take care of MJP set. We're going to continue this coaching right after TSRJC exam as well. So we are not going to discontinue this coaching. Free coaching untundi. MJP ki untundi, MJP set ki untundi, POLYCET ki untundi. Amulya, can you please message that to WhatsApp number? Our team will guide you for further clarifications. Amulya, 9642215226 ki ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ మీరు అక్కడ పెట్టేయండి. All right. Any other queries you've got, please message to WhatsApp number. Feel free. We are reachable over there. Our team is active. Any queries you've got, we are very simply, at a click of a button, we are reachable. You can approach us. You can reach us at 9642215227 or 6. All right. Let's look at the key and let's conclude, students. What does the better mean? It means accomplice. All right. Most of the students have answered well, but the ones who have gone wrong, it's very important that you correct yourself. All right, students. That's English for today. Wish you good luck for the exam. You give your best. God will take care of the rest. All right. Wish you good luck. I hand over the session to Chandrika, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, students, I hope all of you have understood the classes. So, maximum, మీరు 1 year లో చదివిన 10th portion ని maximum ఈ 20 days లో కవర్ చేసాము. maximum amount of syllabus, important topics ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ కవర్ చేసాము. So once again, if you have any doubts, you can go through our videos from Jatadhara Educational Technology YouTube channel. యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో ఇవన్నీ వీడియోస్ కూడా మేము రికార్డ్ చేసి పెట్టాము. సో దాన్ని మీరు వినొచ్చు మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే, అండ్ ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకున్నట్టు కూడా అవుతుంది మీకే. అండ్ అనదర్ థింగ్ ఇస్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు టేక్ యువర్ హాల్ టికెట్స్ టు ద ఎగ్జామ్ సెంటర్. హాల్ టికెట్ తీసుకెళ్ళడం మర్చిపోకండి. ఎస్, అండ్ అగైన్ we will be continuing this coaching for till POLYCET exam. సో ఇక్కడతోనే ఆగిపోతుందని అనుకోవద్దు, రేపు కూడా క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది. అగైన్ we will meet at 7:30 PM tomorrow. That is by 7:25 please log in to the Zoom meeting. 7:30 we will start the class and all the best for the exam. ఆలోచించి రాయండి, మీకు తెలిసిన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ గా పెట్టండి, ఆన్సర్స్ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసి రాయండి.